Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle in JS. Open your project folder and create a simple HTML file with a canvas element, give it explicit width and height, then add a script tag or external JS file. Grab the canvas by ID, call getContext 2D, and prepare to use CTX. Begin path, CTX, arc x, y, radius 0, math, pi asterisk 2, and CTX, fill, or CTX, stroke. Start by acquiring the 2D rendering context from your canvas using getContext 2D, then call CTX. Begin path to start fresh. Use CTX, arc x, y, radius 0, math, pi asterisk 2 to draw a full circle path centered at your coordinates. Choose a fill color with CTX, fill style or an outline with CTX, stroke style, and finalize the drawing with CTX. Fill for solid shapes or CTX, stroke for outlines. For sharper circles on high DPI displays, multiply canvas width and height by device pixel ratio and scale the context accordingly. Animate by using request animation frame, clearing the canvas, updating positions or radius, and redrawing each frame. Experiment with CTX. Save and CTX. Restore, clipping regions, and global composite operation to create masks or layered effects, and always test performance when drawing many animated circles at once.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.